interview. It's just us chatting, which really isn't an issue.
Shouldn't be an issue. Let me see. Let me get comfortable.
Let's talk about, what are we going to talk about? We're rolling. Okay.
we're rolling.
So I have Lisa Danforth, and we are behind the scenes of Breaking Money Silence, a new feature
I love
that
the
I
dancers that you have here. They're great.
See, that's what I'm looking for. We didn't tell the listeners about the dancers.
I know.
Actually, if you pay Roger enough, he'll dance around the studio.
Oh, good to know.
Oh, sure. Yeah.
I brought my dollars.
Okay.
So I am curious. One of the things that I learned about you today was that you are a sewer and you're a cook. And these are traditionally very homemaking skills. I have to say I did win in 7th grade best skirt, which meant I sewed the best skirt. Never been a good cook.
Muzzle top.
Yeah. So
Never been a good
I have a little bit of that in me that's very well hidden. So tell me a little bit more about that and what interests you about sewing and cooking, and still do you participate in it even though it's not your businesses?
I haven't been sewing as much, but it's really interesting. I just moved into a new place, and I hauled my 4-thread serger with me and my original sewing machine that I got, I think, at age 8. My parents gave me a sewing machine for Christmas, which is what I started my children's wear company on. But I still love to sew. Like, I know that I can hem anything. It's great. Cooking is just in my blood. I just absolutely love it. I love entertaining. And I do completely laugh as this, women's empowerment coach. I put that in air quotes. That I love all the domestic things. I really do. And it's just recently that I've been able to own them and not be defined by them. Right. So, yeah, I love to cook. Yeah, I love to entertain. I love to sew. I love the nurturing component. But I also have a lot of masculine qualities that I bring to the table too.
That's funny because
I can stack wood like no one else. Let me tell you.
So this is my extent of my cooking.
Okay.
Okay. So,
I do lessons, by the way.
It is nurturing.
Okay.
No, I don't really have any. I'm okay that I'm not a good cook. I'm actually really good with it. But I like, and sometimes my husband, who's independent like I am, which is why I married him, and he's the cook. I actually enjoy making a sandwich for lunch. Which is I love to make the sandwich and give him this little sandwich bag, which is not, you don't think women's empowerment. Here, honey, here's your sandwich. But there's something about that I like. So that is my form of cooking. And I am today, along with you, behind the scenes, embracing it.
I love that. That is one. And here's the thing. It's your form of nurturing. It's not someone else's. It's authentic, like you said, right?
Yep. And thank God he likes those sandwiches.
He throws them away, right?
Stop it. We're done.
Sorry.
I'm not going to end them. I'm just going to have them go out.
I'm still recording.
I know. Is that weird?